Where's the bumper?
You gotta put up.
Okay, my hands are getting tired. Oh, geez. Ooh!
Get that on video.
Are we recording? Yep. It's on.
Tire straight? Real slow.
I'm trying to hold it. No, these are going to Twitch. There. Please do not go that way.
Babe, be careful, Jade.
This is dangerous.
I don't. I would.
This is scary.
I don't like hanging on the side.
I don't like where this is going.
Jade, I would not be hanging on it. Makes me nervous.
Yeah. Also, where it's going up.
Ugh, God.
Look at right in there. Oh, I can't go back.
He's trying to give me a heart attack.
He just trying to die right now. Who? Oh my God. That hurt? Look what I just found. Look how big this thing is.
Wow, that's a good one.
Teamwork.
Y'all are crazy.
Do not knock this down. This is recording.
You're about to come up on the back. Or if you want to back up.
Back up. What? Bad idea. But still works.
Do it again.
No.
No.
Oh, that's water. That's water. That's water from the cooler bag.